trying to make it a little bit hard for them. You know, there are a lot of stars on the team. There are a lot of really good players. Pogoy, you've got si Aftana, you know, Heading, so, ng Batak. So, talaga mahirapan kami, right? So, that's one thing. And, you know, we just want to hold the fort while Coach Nenad's away. You know, he's been in touch with us. He's been sending videos and splicing for us there, even if he has some personal things. But it's finally nice to get a win. You know, we haven't beaten this team in a long time. And you have to credit the guys for sticking together, right? You know TNT will be back, and they did come back. And it was good that we kept our poise and we got the stops needed. So, you know, we've got to look forward for that Sunday game.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. We now open the floor for questions from our guests.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, first two games, very, both losses but very different yung paglalaro nyo. First, yung game 1 we did, then you lost. Game 2, bad start. This time, very consistent kayo to get this win.
Yeah, well, game 1, John's medyo gigil kami, right? So I think we got the lead, but you have to credit the resiliency of Talk and Text, right? They upped us in that third quarter of that first game. They scored 38 points. And then ito naman, the game 2, you know, I haven't been coaching for two years. It's on me. You know, the guys were not in sync. And it's good that we bounce back now, right? But to fight Talk and Text, we can't, you know, there's just too many good players there, and we've got to make it physical as well, right? So we're gonna be ready for Sunday's game, and you know, we're gonna have to match their intensity again.
Coach, one of the reasons you won this game was you limit Candelo Tata to just 6 points on out of 7 shooting. He was averaging 27 the first two games. It seems every time he touches the ball, meron nag-help sa depensa.
Yeah, well, Oftana is one of the guys. There's just so many points of attack. Like RR today at 28, you know, Nambatak at 13. Oftana had, I think, 6 here in the board. Heading had 0, but we know these guys are capable, so we can't have all of them explode, diba? So just try to get a little bit of the matchups right. We know they're gonna come back big, but credit to these guys, led by this guy here. You know, they showed a lot of character and courage in this game. So sana madala ulit namin yon for the next game. I truly believe this series is far from over. We have what it takes, but it's gonna take double the effort for that Sunday game.
What else new?
Sinugat couldn't finish the game. I can't speak right now. We'll have to talk to our you know, our medical staff and see how he is. But looked like he couldn't enter. So for now, I don't really have anything. We'll have to see.
Chris, how big was this game for you guys, especially after those two frustrating losses?
I mean, I think everybody knew how big of a game this was for, you know, the company. You know, we had a really important meeting. Management came in and, you know, they expected us to perform tonight, and we did. You know, everybody stepped up, especially defensively. You know, we got off to a good start compared to game 2, and, you know, that was extremely important. You know, that was a point of emphasis for Coach, for us to get off to a good start, and also in the third quarter. So I think we did that, and we answered his call. So, you know, he's in a tough position to come in and, you know, take over, and I thought he's done a great job. And also just extremely proud of CJ. You know, from starting to then coming off the bench, he did a great job tonight. He didn't really force anything, and he played great defense. So thought he did a great job.
Coach, good evening. Coach, of course, the victory came at the expense of Ronnie Del Campos jersey retirement. Alam din natin, he ended his playing career playing for
Ang kaibigan din natin si Del. You know, we had the opportunity to have him, and he was with us in Meralco. He's part of our family too, so we're very proud of him. You know, just quality guy here. He's won so many championships. He's been in the national team, and napaka kumbaba. I mean, very, very, you know. So it was nice to be a part of that and witness that here, right? So congratulations to him, and he's not only part of Talk and Text, he's part of the Meralco family. Then.
We'd rather take the victory.
Chris, last question. This kind of victory, how crucial is going to be game 4 tie the series or could go down 3-2.
Yeah, you know, Sunday's going to be a huge game, bigger than today. But you know, our team, for whatever reason, likes to play with our back against the wall. So we play well when we need to win. So I expect everybody to, you know, step up to the occasion, including myself. So I'm really excited already.
Coach, will active consultant Nenad returning to the game by Sunday?
He would want to be here, but it's his, like, I think our team manager, it's his daughter's wedding. So kasal niya, no? But he's in touch with us. You know, he sent us video. He doesn't want to miss that. But we want to do our role that when we come back, at least pagbalik niya, sana it's, you know, 2-2. And that's the goal right now, right? It's easier said than done. We know Tokatex is going to be ready. So sana we can, you know, for sure he'll be back for game 5. But sana we can give him a good gift and we can win the next game. And it's gonna be a lot of effort, a really lot of effort from our guys.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone for
Thank you.
your post-game press.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.